Hi everybody, I have a treat for you today. Does your family like going out for Cold Stone ice cream? It's a treat, isn't it? So imagine any ice cream shop you're going to. You walk through the door and you smell it. Waffle cones, brownies, there's a big sign on the wall and it takes you a while to figure out what you want because there are so many different options. I was paying attention one day to what they were doing to mix all that stuff together, and I thought, I can try that. And I started making it at home for my family, and it is so easy to make. So today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry shortcake version, but really you can make almost any combination that you like following a few basic techniques. So we are going to start, we need 4 ingredients for the strawberry shortcake one. We're going to use some pound cake, you need some Cool Whip, vanilla ice cream, and fresh strawberries. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Even if these flavor combinations are not your thing, you'll still learn how to create your own Cold Stone types of creations, and there's other stores that do the same sort of thing. So I've got a few strawberries here, not very many because I'm not making a lot tonight, but I'm gonna take my core and more and use this side to take the hull out, just like that. And then the next thing you need to do is chop up your strawberries. So I'm using these salad choppers. A lot of people actually use these for meat, for cooked chicken or for pork. And I'm just gonna roughly chop the strawberries. This is great too if you're making strawberry shortcake. So you wanna just do a little bit of a rough chop. You don't need to add sugar to it or anything. So if you're doing this for your strawberry shortcake, that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, next ingredient. Let's get our pound cake ready. And if you want to save money, one thing you can do is you can make a yellow cake and then just cut it into the portions that you'll need for a Cold Stone treat with your family. So it's still frozen, I'm gonna pull it out. And then you can simply pull out a chunk when you want to make it like on a Friday night or something. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit, let's see, yeah, I think that's good. All right, so if it's Cold Stone, there are some options. I don't like to use the stoneware. I like to use my Rock Crock everyday pan. So you can use a bowl, whatever you like, but this has been in the freezer for a while. Putting your bowl in the freezer is truly optional. It just adds for the effect. And instead of doing it on the grill stone, which is soupy and messy, use the one with sides on it so it's a little bit easier. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is scoop out some ice cream. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple of good scoops. And then we're just gonna mix it all up together. So if you go out for ice cream, what are your favorite toppings to have in there? I like anything chocolate. So I like the Black Forest kinds. I'll do chocolate ice cream and I'll use cherry pie filling, brownies, mix all that up and then top it. There's so many things you can do though, right? So we're gonna grab some Cool Whip. If you don't like Cool Whip, you can just do some whipped cream. I'm just gonna take a scoop. And you totally don't have to measure hardly anything. And then we'll put a piece of the pound cake in there and some strawberries. So let's go ahead and dump some strawberries in here. You can also do fresh peaches. So when those come into season, you can. Now this is the star of the show, your mix and chop. So all we're gonna do now is just kind of combine everything. That pound cake is froze. It's okay, it thaws really fast. There we go. So you just wanna mix it all up. You don't want it to be soupy, so do it fast. And some other combinations that are really good, if you like apple pie, try vanilla ice cream, apple pie filling, a dash of cinnamon, and graham cracker pie crust. Not just graham crackers, but the kind that's like the pie crust. If you ever find any like on a clearance rack because they're broken, those are the perfect ones because you're just gonna crumble it in there anyway. All right, this is ready. So let's make it look pretty. And we're gonna just take the scraper. This is fun to do for a birthday party, you guys. So if you have a family gathering happening, this could be part of the activity. Or what you could do, this is really enough for 2 people. I'm gonna make a big one. You know, it's like it, love it, gotta have it. So this is a gotta have it, I guess. My husband and I will share it. I'll probably split it up before we're all done. This is definitely a gotta have it size. Way way too much. Okay, so the pie filling with the apple pie filling, vanilla ice cream, cinnamon, and the graham crackers is really good. It doesn't look very pretty, but it tastes amazing. Okay, so I've got my decorator bag here that's full of Cool Whip, and I've got the open star tip. You're just gonna squeeze at the top, just like that. And there you go. Gotta have it, and it costs pennies to make. For $7, you can probably make 15 servings. So if your family loves going out for ice cream, try making it at home. It could be a fun activity. Let everybody pick different toppings and mix it all up and just have fun creating. If you know people that love going out for ice cream, share this video with them and they can start making it at home. What flavors will you try?